Welcome to Test-Driven Development with Java for Complete Beginners. The purpose of this course is to teach you the key fundamentals of test-driven development. This will allow you to confidently write cleaner, well-tested and well-structured code. And we'll work through examples to get you up and running in no time. My name is Tony Perrin and I'll be leading you through this course. I'm a professional Java consultant with around 15 years of Java development experience, mainly in the financial services and banking industries. I'm also an Oracle certified Java developer, and I currently mentor Java developers as part of the London Java Community's Meetup group. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use test-driven development in your own Java projects. This will allow you to confidently build fully tested Java applications using the TDD test-first approach. Now, these are skills which are in huge demand and will help you improve the overall quality of your code. I'll be teaching TDD from the bottom up, using small bite-sized lessons sprinkled with assignments to get you coding straight away to learn the key concepts. You'll learn all the aspects of TDD, we'll build up from small examples, learning key skills along the way. We'll go over the ways that you can improve your TDD skills with just a few minutes practice each day. And then we'll walk through redesigning an application to improve the design to make it much easier to test. The ideal student for this course is any existing developer with a basic understanding of Java or any other object-oriented language. You want to get started working with TDD, or you want to improve your current TDD skills. Or you're a developer who wants to improve your code quality using the test-first approach of TDD. Now don't forget, there's a full 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied with this course, so there is very little risk to you in giving this course a go. Thank you.